So when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Hey.
Okay guys, so this is a new vlog now. Over the weekend, Mekor or your central region, there was a place called Kuntu, just close to Infantma Girls Senior High School. Now I decided to go to a place called Hini where the Saltpond oil rig is located at. Now we had to go through Kuntu, which is my hometown, where salt is mostly produced, and this is the view. Yes, looking at the pond there, that is where they pump the seawater into the ponds that they've made to produce the salt. And so we had to go there and cross that narrow bridge to the village we call Hini. It's a fishing community, and just take a look at the bridge. Well, it is made of coconut trees and some other stuffs, but it's quite scary for people to cross. Okay guys, so yeah, was somewhere in central region, Saltpond, a place called Kuntu, where would to salt war. But then I'm trying to get to the next town, Hini. That is where the Saltpond oil rig is located, like head on. The only walking parts are oil shortcuts. Normally some children would also travel on that route. I'm going to show you how that bridge looks like. Very scary. Bridge in here. And this is the road leading to that place. Salt area. It's and quarter crabs and some other, So this is the road. If imagine there, and you do, I look if you have, this is the route to use. And see you baby quiet. So when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it. But how we are going to cross it is what I'm thinking about. And in your London Bridge, and in your Stamford Bridge. This is Kuntu Bridge. And I say, I will cry, you know that some people they hustle. Wow. So to cross this, if you don't have the heart, then I don't have the heart to walk on this one. So unless I crawl. This thing is scary.
And
So before Chinese people came, God save me. Forget the kakumo. Oh God. I made it! So finally we are here. We crossed that bridge. We are across the bridge and just to see the ocean. Yeah. So now right there, one day I will go there. I'll tell you something about that oil rig. Saltpond oil rig. I know what Hini. Yes. So I came to Kuntu and I used the back door to get to my but I'm going back to still